channel. Like the video, get a big thumbs up and comment down below ideas for my next video. With that being said, let's hop into this video. So guys, basically I wrote down 8 reasons why I don't have friends. I mean, friends are cool and all, but I just don't trust anybody. So with that being said, I'm just like, I'm not for friends right now. I mean, probably in the future, but right now I don't want friends. So I'm gonna tell you guys why. Number 1, no loyalty. I feel like I have a really good loyalty and I'm loyal to all my friends, but they don't have the same loyalty I have. I mean, that's okay. I mean, everybody was just born different. Everybody just have different loyalty. You know, that's fine. But as far as loyalty, I have to have the same loyalty I have in order for us to be friends. Just because it's just, you gotta have the same loyalty I have. Point blank period, guys. The second reason why I don't have friends is can't trust them. Basically, you cannot trust nobody. Like, I don't care. Like, you cannot trust nobody with nothing. Especially when it's like something personal about you. You cannot trust anybody because I feel like everybody is snakes and devils and just demons out here. Like, I just feel like that because you never know somebody until you actually know somebody. If that makes sense, guys. The third reason why I have friends is always want to be in competition with you. Basically meaning, if I buy something, they be like, oh, that's cute, I'm gonna buy it too. If I buy a Starbucks, oh, that's cute, I'm gonna buy that too. Just stuff like that. Oh, your hairstyle's cute, I'm gonna do it too. Just stuff like that. It's just like, be yourself and I'll be myself. Like, you don't always gotta buy and always get what I get. You get me? Like, you don't always gotta be in competition with me. Like, it's okay, just be yourself. It's gonna be okay, you know? So the fourth reason I have friends is talk about you behind your back. Like, I hate when females, I hate when they bitch, be like, oh yeah, I'm your friend, I care about you, I love you, and then behind your back, like, oh yeah, she's a HOE, yeah, she's a B, and all this other stuff. Like, this girl, like, how does that make you seem? Like, you're sitting here in my face, being my friend, going behind my back, and just talking about me, like, that shows you what kind of person you are, and you need to fix yourself, sis. Like, you need to really fix yourself, and, like, dig deep and fix yourself, because that's not even cool, you know? I just hate when friends be like, oh yeah, like, I just hate that shit, you know? Moving on to the fifth reason I have friends is they call you or text you when it's only convenient for them. Basically meaning, they be like, oh hey India, what are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Yeah, and be like, oh, do you have $10 until the 1st? Like, what? I'll be like, oh yeah, what are you doing? And they be like, oh, can I have a ride to the Walmart? Like, why do you call me when you need something? Why do you call me when you need to borrow money? Why do you call me when you need a ride? Like, you never call me for anything else besides, oh, I need this, I need that, I need that. Like, I'm not a taxi, I'm not an ATM. Like, girl, get yourself together. Like, I hate when folks just do that. Like, you only call me when it's convenient for you. Do not call my phone if you don't call me on a daily basis. I don't get not one flying up. Like, I really don't at all, y'all. So, the sixth reason why I don't have friends is they get mad when you don't take their advice. Basically meaning, they be like, oh, India, you should leave him. Or India, you should switch jobs. Or something like that. Like, how can you get mad when I'm venting to you and you give me an advice, but I don't take your advice and you get mad? Like, I'm only venting to you because you're my friend. Not because I want advice from you, you know? Like, I hate when people do it like, oh, yeah, I thought that you get it, you take my advice. Like, what? Like, baby girl, like, what are you talking about? Like, I have bent to you, not want advice from you. You just give me advice that you want to see. Like, I don't know. Like, I just hate when folks do that. Y'all feel me? Like, hopefully I'm making sense, y'all. Moving on, though. Moving on. The seventh reason I have friends is always down talking you. Basically meaning they always is like saying like, oh, your hair is ugly, oh, your shoes are ugly, oh, your outfit's ugly, or you should lose weight. Like, why you like, hold on. Give credit when credit is due. If I'm cute, I'm cute. If my hair's cute, I'm cute. Like, don't always down talk me. Like, I just had so many bad experiences with friends. I don't have any friends besides one, and I'm thankful for her. But other than that, y'all, I don't have no friends. Like, I honestly don't. And it's okay because I know how friends are. And even the more friends you have, the more drama you have. I don't care. You have 10 friends, 5 friends. The more friends you have, the more drama you're gonna be. I don't care. That's how I see it, and that's how it is. Point blank period, y'all. So the last reason why I don't have friends is I just don't have friends, y'all, besides one person. Only one friend, that's it. But other than that, I have no friends. Just because everything I said in here is true. Like, you cannot sit there and talk about me behind my back. You cannot sit there and down talk me and get mad. I'm gonna take your advice. Like, it's just so much stuff that goes to a friend, and it's so hard to find friends nowadays. Everybody's just different. Like, the loyalty is just different. Their mindset is just different. Like, that's why I have friends, y'all. And y'all have more than one friend, and y'all good. That's good. I salute y'all. But so far as me, I don't need friends, and that's how it's gonna be. Probably in the future, I don't know. But right now, I don't have friends, and I'm good with that. With that being said, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, get a big thumbs up, and comment down below ideas for my next video, guys. But I love you all so much, and thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos. And I will be back with more videos. Bye, guys. I love you guys